Do you know that parsley isn't just a garnish? It is full with vitamins and minerals that can transfer your hair and skin, guys. Parsley is packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, perfect for boosting hair growth, strength, and shine. The antioxidant in parsley leaf help to improve circulation on the scalp, which promote healthy hair growth. Plus, a vitamin A keep your hair stronger, while vitamin C fight free radicals and boost collagen production. Alright, beautiful, let's not forget about sage leaf. Sage leaf is packed with antioxidant, vitamins, minerals that can help straighten your hair and promote growth. So I'm going to cut out the stem from the leaf. After doing that, I'm going to rinse out the leaf about 2 different times. Rinse out the parsley and sage leaf. After rinsing it out, I'm going to use a paper towel to dry out excess water. Sometimes I leave it in the strainer for the water to dry out by itself. So after I finish using my fingers to mash out the parsley and sage leaf, now we're going to be using high heat avocado oil. So I'm going to use 2 cups of avocado oil. After that, I'm going to heat up my high heat avocado oil. I put water in the pot and let that water heat up. Then I add in my avocado oil into this jar. You can use mason jar or you can use any glass jar that you feel fit to do your DIY. Then now it's time for me to add in the parsley and sage leaf. Yes, I'm going to stir that and let it melt into that oil. When I see that the oil is super hot and the leaf is melting down, then I'm going to turn this off. Then I'm going to use my hand blender and I'm going to blend it. Since I make this oil the faster and easier way, the leaf boil while it's heating up in that oil. And after I squeeze it like that, it mixes with water after finish mixing the oil. So you need to let the oil sit overnight or sit for 3 to 4 hours so that the oil and the water can separate. You don't want water sitting at the bottom of your DIY oil. If you do, usually this oil won't last for a longer period of time. After 2 to 3 days, you're going to have that bad and funky scent coming from your DIY oil, and we don't want that. So you have to let the oil sit for 24 hours or 3 to 4 hours to separate the oil from the water. We make this DIY oil the faster ways. There are other ways you can make DIY hair growth and skincare oil without water sitting at the bottom. Since we decide to make it the faster way, you have to make sure not to forget about this portion in this video. I'm going to repeat myself again. Let it sit overnight or let it sit for 5 to 6 hours before separating your oil from the water. Skip putting in preservative right after you finish making the oil. Screen it for the first time, screen it for the second time before putting in your preservative. The only time you can skip screening it about 3 or 4 times unless you are using this oil as a pre-poo treatment on it and you just want to apply it on your face for 2 to 3 days and you don't want to reuse the oil again, then you don't have to worry about screening it a whole lot. Alright guys, I'm just massaging my scalp. After I'm finished doing that, I'm going to go in with a little bit of mousse to stop my hair from being greasy. Because if you go in with the mousse, your hair not going to be greasy. And when you go to bed, you're not going to have your pillow soaked with oil. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button